Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your XOSS Cadence sensor. First, let's prepare. Make sure your XOSS Cadence sensor has a fresh CR2032 battery installed. This ensures reliable operation and a strong signal. Next, download and install the official XOSS app on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, place your bicycle on a stand or lean it securely against a wall, giving you easy access to the crank arm for sensor attachment. Now, let's install the sensor. Identify the non-drive side crank arm of your bicycle. This is the left side when you are sitting on the bike. Securely attach the XOSS Cadence sensor to the inside of this crank arm using the included rubber band or zip ties. It's crucial that the sensor is firm and won't move during your ride. Double-check that it doesn't obstruct your pedaling motion or rub against your shoe. For the best signal, ensure the XOSS logo faces outwards. With the sensor installed, it's time to pair it with the app. Open the XOSS app on your smartphone and go to the Device or Sensor Management section. To activate the sensor, spin your bike's crank arm a few times. This wakes it from sleep mode. Within the app, select Add New Device or Scan for Sensors. Your XOSS Cadence sensor should appear in the list of discovered devices. Tap on it to select and confirm the connection, establishing a stable link between your sensor and the app. Finally, let's test and verify the connection. With the sensor paired, pedal your bike at a steady pace. Observe the XOSS app to confirm that the cadence data is being displayed accurately and consistently. Look for smooth, continuous readings without any sudden drops or spikes. If you encounter any issues, try repairing the sensor, double-checking the battery, or ensuring your phone is within 1 meter of the sensor. Now you're ready to enjoy precise cadence data for your rides.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.